Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video we're going to be going over the power rule and we'll be doing 3 examples of these. So without further ado, let's shake and bake. Example number 1. So on the right here I have the formula of the power rule. However, I'm going to show you a visual representation of how to do this problem. So the derivative with respect to t is equal to the constants you just keep, which is 4 over 5. And that right there is our constant. Okay, so you just keep it. Keep constant. Okay. And now I'm going to write down t squared right next to it. Okay? The exponent here, all you do is you just bring that down over here. So that's going to be times 2. And then the exponent of t is 2 minus 1. So you just subtract 1 from the exponent there. All right, and when we simplify this, what we get is 4/5 times 2 is 8 over 5 t to the 2 minus 1, which is just t to the first power, which is just t. All right, therefore, this right here is our derivative and final answer. That means this example is complete. Example number 2. So we have y is equal to 2 over x. Whenever you have your variable as the denominator, you want to bring it up to the numerator so we can go ahead and use this power rule. So bringing the x up to the numerator means you just change the sign of the exponent. So that will become 2x to the negative 1. All right, so now we can go ahead and take our derivative. So we have d over dx is equal to, I'm going to write down our constant, we keep that, and I'm going to leave a little space, put x to the negative 1. Okay, so all we do is you take the exponent right here, and you just bring it in front of your variable, so negative 1, and then you subtract 1 from the numerator. So x to the negative 1 minus 1. Okay, all we do now is just simplify. So you got d over dx is equal to 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. X, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. All right. All we're going to do now is just simplify it further. We're going to bring that exponent back down and make it positive. So we got d over dx is equal to negative 2 all over x squared. All right, just like that. So this right here is our final answer. Therefore, this example is complete. Example number 3. So we have this right here, this equation. And what we're going to do first is just rewrite it just to simplify it to make it easier on us. So that is 1 over 2. And now this term right over here can be written as x squared raised to the 1 over 3. All right, since that is a cubic root there. And now with our, laws of exponents and stuff like that, we can simplify this a bit, which is y is equal to 1 over 2x to the 2 over 3. All right, so when an exponent is raised by another exponent, you multiply those. Now what we want to do is bring this term, our variable, to the top. And when we do that, we'll get y is equal to x to the negative 2/3 over 2. Okay, so now let's go ahead and simplify this like we usually do. We're going to have d over dx is equal to our constant, which is 1/2. Leave a little space. X to the negative 2/3. Okay, from here, we take our exponent, we bring it down next to our variable. So that is negative 2 over 3. And then we subtract 1 from our exponent, minus 1. All right, so let's go ahead and simplify. We have d over dx is equal to 1/2 times negative 2/3 is negative 2 over 6. X to the negative 2/3 minus 1 is going to be negative 5/3. And just to simplify this a little bit further, we have d over dx is equal to negative 2/6 can be reduced to negative 1/3. And then if we bring that exponent down, we have x to the 5/3, just like that. So this right here is our derivative, and this example is complete.